You've been told you need a 4-point inspection, and we're here to help. This video will walk you through the process so there are no surprises on the day of your inspection. The 4-point inspection covers the electrical, air conditioning, plumbing, and the roofing systems of your home. To begin, your inspector will walk the exterior of the home and they will photograph all exterior walls. If they are also performing a wind mitigation inspection, they will document all exterior doors and windows at this time. During the walk-around, your inspector will locate the main water shutoff valve, the air conditioning systems, and the electrical systems. Your inspector will also verify your hose bibs aren't leaking. If you have a padlock installed on your outside breaker panel, please remove it prior to our arrival. All breaker panels and service disconnects will be opened and inspected. Since not all homes have exterior breaker panels, don't worry if yours doesn't. It's not an issue. Once your inspector has finished documenting the exterior of the home, they will move on to the inside. They will need access to the kitchen, bathrooms, garage, and laundry areas of the home. They'll also need to check the ceiling of each room in the home for signs of leaks and any areas that may have an extra sink, such as a wet bar. In the kitchen, your inspector will test the sink for leaks. They will need reasonably clear access to the underside of the sink so they can check the condition of the plumbing. They will also perform basic tests on the fridge and dishwasher. In each bathroom, your inspector will test the sink. Just like the kitchen, they will need reasonably clear access to the underside of the sink. Your inspector will test the toilet and any showers or tubs as well. Your inspector will need clear access to your water heater. They will need to see all plumbing connections, the bottom and surrounding areas, as well as the data plate that contains the serial number, make, and model of your water heater. Your inspector will check your laundry area and, whenever reasonably possible, will need access to the plumbing connections for the washing machine. Your inspector will need access to all circuit breaker panels. They will be opening the panels to check for improper connections, wiring damage, or other signs of problems that need to be repaired. Your inspector will check the air conditioning systems within your home. Most homes have the air handler located inside of a closet, but some may be located in an attic. In some instances, the entire air conditioner may be a package unit that is installed outside. If you do not have central AC but have window units or a mini split style system, we will document what is installed at the time of the inspection. While we look around the home, the inspector is keeping an eye out for common electrical problems and signs of leaks. Our most common findings are missing cover plates on outlets or switches. If you know you have missing plates, it is recommended you replace them prior to our arrival. If we find signs of roof leaks, your inspector may use a moisture meter or thermal camera to verify if the leak is active or not. Lastly, your inspector will examine your roof. They will either climb the roof, fly a drone, or both. Depending on the inspector's findings, they may need to inspect your attic as well. If you are having a wind mitigation performed, your inspector will be required to have access to your attic. If you do not have an attic space, that's not an issue. There may be other ways to perform the tests needed. Your inspector will be checking for certain construction methods used during the original construction of the house, as well as when the roof has been updated with time. In addition, if you have hurricane shutters or impact-rated windows, any documentation you have proving their ratings can help expedite the delivery of your report. As the wind mitigation qualifies you for discounts on your insurance, having as much documentation on hand to prove the ratings of your doors and windows can have an impact on your insurance premiums. This is especially true in coastal areas. At the end of the day, your insurance carrier uses the 4-point inspection to determine insurability, and they use the wind mitigation results to calculate discounts to be applied towards your annual premium. Making sure your inspector has the access they need helps streamline our visit. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at any time. We're more than happy to help.